To connect to BigQuery in your Google Sheet, click on the Data menu, choose Data Connectors, and Connect to BigQuery. Choose the data connection you want to use and the dataset. Finally, choose the table or view and click on Continue. The connection setup will be confirmed. Click on Connect. The first new feature we'll look at is Column Stats, which shows a summary of all data in the selected column, as well as the values in that column. Next, we'll look at filtering, which you can now do by values as well as conditions. All values in the column will be displayed. You can clear all selections, then choose the specific values that you want to display. Filter the column again to show all values. Next, we'll create a pivot table and add rows, columns, and values. If we try to show the pivot table, we'll get an error as we're trying to display too much information. We can now group the rows to show a summary of those values rather than each individual value. Finally, we'll add a slicer to the pivot table, which will also affect any other tables or charts on this tab. After choosing the column we want to filter the slicer on, we can position it on the sheet, then use it to filter our data quickly and easily. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris if you want to know more about Google Workspace.